welcome to another episode of the Therapy with Rikki Podcast, where we talk about real conversations that you can feel. I am your host, Rikki McCoy, a licensed therapist in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm excited to be here with you all today as we talk about another important topic, sound healing. So, I have been feeling super just low, right? Energetically like tired with this time change. We sprung forward and all the things. And so I want to come through and share with you all today a technique that I love to use with my clients as a holistic therapist. One of the things that I like to do is incorporate sound healing. And so sound healing is pretty much you might have seen where people have these crystal sound bowls. Sometimes they can also have the Tibetan sound bowls, and we use them to play music. We use them to play certain frequencies that tap into your chakras, right? And so your chakras are your life force energy, and they pretty much house our ability to live, our ability to thrive, our ability to feel safe and comfortable and confident and use our voice and have an open heart and all of the things. And so I just want to be able to come through and share with you how sound healing can be helpful, how it can be therapeutic. Each bowl matches your chakras, right? And so today I'm going to play you all a root chakra sound healing. And so I have my root chakra bowl. And pretty much the frequencies of the sound healing bowl can balance you out, right? Can create a sense of calm, can create a sense of ease in your mind and in your body. And a lot of people may feel a release emotionally. You may feel the need or the urge to cry, those kind of things, or you just may feel super calm and relaxed after the sound healing session. But I definitely just want to be able to come through, share this tool as a technique, as a skill. If you are interested, a lot of people offer sound healing sessions. I also offer sound healing sessions. You may see a group sound healing session in your community. Look on Eventbrite, look at your local practitioners, healers, holistic therapists, Reiki practitioners, yoga teachers, yoga classes, like those type of places. That is where you can find your holistic sound healing sessions. Instagram, like just use your resources. But I want to play a sound healing session for you all today that's focused around our root chakra. The root chakra is where our insecurities, our lack, our limitation, those kind of things are housed. And so if we're thinking about releasing that, if we're thinking about walking in our abundance and in our truth, we want to clear out any blockages in our root chakra. You may notice blockages in your root chakra if you have abdominal pain, if you have constipation, body aches. You may notice inability to focus, frustration, anger, anxiety, depression, just feeling really insecure in yourself, in your ability to provide for yourself. This is also where financial stability is housed as well. And so today I want you to release any negativity, release any drama, any stress, any blockages, any fears, any doubts that you have around who you are and where you are on your life journey so that you can be your best self. Sound like a plan? Before we get started, real quick, be sure to share, like, subscribe, all of the things. Send me reviews. If you have a topic, if you have a question, if you have anything that you want to be discussed on the podcast, send me an email, therapywithrikki@gmail.com for all podcast questions. Join me if you are in Atlanta. I am having a yoga class and sound healing session March 26th at 4 p.m. at Haven Yoga in Atlanta, Georgia. Again, the yoga class is March 26th at 4 p.m., where I will be walking you all through a gentle yoga and sound bath healing experience. You do not want to miss this event. If you are interested in the yoga, if you're interested in sound healing, meditation, journaling, if you want to be connected to like-minded people, then this is the class for you. Adults only, all genders are welcome, and We're just going to come, we're going to vibe. All levels are welcome as well. Come as I hold space for you. Come be in community with me. Come meet each other. Come be around like minded people. And let's get this healing, y'all. All right, so I'm going to begin. And before I begin, I just want you to find yourself in a comfortable seat, or you can lie down if that's comfortable for you as well. And I want you to start to just come to a still place in your body, okay? And I want you to take a few breaths, a few cleansing breaths, right? You can inhale from your belly, fill your belly up with air, releasing any stagnant air in your lungs. And we're going to fill our belly up to a 4-second count. Inhale. So inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale out of your mouth real big. Just let all that stagnant air out. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, one more time. Inhaling all of the air that you can inhale in this moment. For 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want you to choose a word, an intentional word, as you go through this root chakra sound bowl session. What do you need right now? What's a word that you need right now as you set the tone for your energy and for this healing practice? What do you need? Where do you feel stuck? Where do you need to release negative energy? How are your thoughts? What's that inner critic saying to you? Relax your body, release any tension from your shoulders. Maybe you roll your neck from side to side. As you feel the ground underneath you, under your feet, we will begin. Podcast. It brings me so much joy to hold space for you all and to share these tools, these tips, these techniques as we go through life, y'all. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, open your eyes if you need to. Give yourself a minute before you get up. Check in with yourself. Feel what sensations you feel in your body. How does your mind feel? I do recommend that you journal and write down what your experience was after listening to the sound session. And also share with me. Send me a DM. Send me an email. Everything is at Therapy with Rikki. Peace, love, light, and healing. Till next time, y'all. Peace out.